Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here with you. Today in this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can make the face mask at your home for your sensitive skin. So guys, if you are having a sensitive skin, so you must be careful about the products whatever you are using for your face. So guys, now in this video, I'm gonna share with you a home remedy that you can make with the simple ingredients that you may find at your kitchen as well. So guys, I'm going to divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, what we are using for this solution. The second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and my third and last part where I will share with you the procedure how you can make it at your home and how to apply on your face. So guys, now the first part of the video where I'll share with you the benefits of the ingredients. The carrot and the honey face mask is the perfect for all skin type and will add an assistant luster to your skin. Carrots provide the natural antiseptic properties. They soothe irritated skin and leave it feeling fresh and healthy. The beta carotene present in a carrot removes the dead skin layers, lock moisture into the skin, and promotes the renewal of the skin cells. It protects your skin from the free radicals, thereby delaying the aging process. Honey gives your complexion a boost as it is extremely moisturizing and soothing. It helps create a natural glow. So guys, now I'm going to my second part of the video where I will share with you the quantity of the ingredient. So guys, here for this solution we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the carrots, and number two, we have needed the raw honey. So guys, now for the quantity, our first ingredient carrot, we have needed 2/3 of the carrot, but it should be cooked and mashed. And our second ingredient raw honey, we have needed 1 to 2 tablespoons. So guys, now we are going to our third part of the video where I will share with you the procedure how you can make it at your home. This is single step treatment, and our single step is mix cooked carrot and the honey into a paste. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know how we can do this step. Number one, put 2/3 of the cooked carrot into a bowl and mash it. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey into it. Number two, make a smooth paste of the mixture. Number three, wash your face with the lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Number 4. Apply the face mask with an applicator brush using stroke upward. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 5. Rinse it off with warm water followed by a splash of cold water. Because that was our procedure, and you can use this carrot and honey face mask for 2 to 3 times in a week. So guys, that was the video for today where I have shared with you the sensitive skin face mask. Next time I'll come with some other interesting and helpful solution. Till that time, take care.